With two White House staff testing positive for coronavirus with senior members of his task force self-isolating, the president put on a bullish display in the Rose Garden of the White House.
We have met the moment, and we have prevailed. Americans do whatever it takes to find solutions, pioneer breakthroughs, and harness the energies we need to achieve a total victory. We will defeat this horrible enemy. We will revive our economy, and we will transition into greatness. That's a phrase you're going to hear a lot because that's what's going to happen.
Asked if he was declaring mission accomplished, the president clarified he was talking about testing, claiming the US had now tested more people than any other country. The White House has also told staff to wear masks while in and around the building, a dramatic shift in policy. Senior figures attending the briefing did so. The president did not. In New York, the governor insisted the state was through the worst of the virus outbreak, saying it was on the other side of the mountain. But with more than half of all American deaths, he's in no rush to abandon the lockdown measures.
Some states are opening even though they haven't met the CDC guidelines, which I don't even know how that happens. The federal government says, here are the CDC guidelines, which are basic health guidelines. Some states don't meet those guidelines and they're opening anyway.
In Florida, the city of Naples was forced to shut down its beaches just 2 weeks after declaring them open. People aren't following social distancing guidelines.
I hate to see the beaches closed down, but I can see a very good reason for it.
As the president was speaking, the number of dead in the US passed the 80,000 mark. He says some Democratic-led states aren't moving quickly enough to open up, alleging without evidence a prolonged economic shutdown is claiming even more lives.
I want our country open too. I want it open safely, but I want it open. Don't forget, people are dying the other route.
Recent opinion polls suggest the majority of US citizens are concerned states will reopen too quickly and a second outbreak will follow. Alan Fisher, Al Jazeera, Washington.